This is how to roll back up a bounce house. So there's a blower in the back. We're gonna unplug. We're gonna actually turn it off, unplug it, take the hose off, and then there's the second hose. Take that, untie that hose, and then there's a zipper. Unzipper that. That'll let out the air. Then you'll watch me actually fold it up. Let's go. Set the button off there. Okay, so that's coming down again. Two hoses, one with the blower, take the blower off, and then the other hose, just untie it. That will let out air, and then there's a zipper, unzip that, that will let out all the air. Now, there's four corners to this, right? There was four trees when you saw it standing up. There's two ways that I'll roll it up. I'll either have the trees going across each other, diagonal, or I have them going across each other, if you will. Um, I'm probably gonna do the across. I don't think I want to do diagonal with this. It's been a while since I rolled the bouncy houses, but we're just gonna do them across and let's see how this one comes out. Okay. So I guess let me explain a little bit better. The front, pretty much, just what you want is where it overlaps the back. So you'll see the front entrance with the monkey in the middle that was there, and then what I did, the stair slide right there. You want to fold that in, and then what you want, you just want that to be flat. You use your feet to stomp out the rest of the air, and then we're gonna do three folds, and then tightly roll. Okay. Let's take off our shoes so we don't dirty it. So we're in seven. So yeah, that's where the air comes out. Just a little bit, the air comes out as you go flat. So that's why you want to step back. A big part is going to be the slide. Let's get all the air out the slide. I'm actually, hold on. We're going to actually open back up the slide, get all the air out. So get all the air out that slide entrance, and then you want to fold it in the back. All right, let's try now. Okay, so the most difficult part about this bounce house is getting the air out that slide. Not a biggie. Usually you'll let a few minutes go anyway before you actually start to roll it up. Um, this was a great find, $700 on Amazon. Jungle theme, commercial grade, had the basketball hoop inside. Couldn't go wrong with this price. Not at all. All right. Beautiful. All right. Now, TJ, go on that corner over there, please. There's a blue strap here. Look, right here. At that corner. We're gonna go halfway. One, two, three. Let's go. Oh. And now, hold on. You want to get this green part inside the seams. You want this to look all purple here. And then, of course, make sure that air is out. Good. Let's do this side. One, two, three, let's go. So the goal is with these folds, you pretty much want to see all purple. The green, you kind of want to tuck it in. For the most part, you want to see all purple. That's two folds. We're going to do one more fold, uh, one fold on top of the other. Then from there, roll it up. And I do want to mention, when you are rolling up, make sure the hoses are still out. Don't have them tucked in. All right, one more fold. And another thing, if you don't get it even in the middle, as far as the two folds, you're usually gonna have one fold that's smaller than the other kind of thing, like how I have right now. The smaller fold, I'm gonna overlap it on the bigger fold. Let's see, this side, nope, this side. From there, you wanna try to grab it from the purple. Yep. Get your hand, come on the outside, like me. Yep. Two hands. Then you do two hands like this. Yep. One, two, three. Nope, don't worry about that. So if you can see there, the smaller fold we put over the bigger fold, that was our third fold right there. It's all purple. You just see a little green there, but that's nothing. That's where we're gonna start our roll. And from there, do our roll all the way up to the hoses at the end. And again, the hoses stay out at the whole time, so air can continuously escape. Let's get rolling. Hard work, huh? I told you're gonna whip. Hold on. When I say go, you whip. Yeah. When I say go, you whip. Okay, go. 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 Put your foot. Put your foot there. Look at the foot here. That's really young stuff. All right, I don't want to leave you guys. Let's get closer. So, you want to make sure when you start from the beginning that you do a tight roll. My family, we just got back from camping this morning. I'm a little tired. It could have been a little better than that, but it's okay. There's two blue straps. You want one on each side. Strap them together, and you'll be done. Not strap them together. I mean, there's two. Strap one, strap two. You know what I mean. Make sure you do easy pull through knots so the next time you need to use it, you just pull it right out. If you liked what you seen today, like and subscribe, guys. And I'll put the link in the description to this Amazon find. Thanks, guys.